welcome back to your good old Auntie No's kitchen. And to those of you that are running on through, I hope you stick around so you can be one of my nieces and nephews and come on and join the family, because you know we get together a lot over here in this old kitchen. Come pull up a chair and sit a spell, okay? Today we're going to be doing some glazed carrots, but this is the catch. We're not going to use some fresh carrots. We're going to dress up those old canned carrots, okay? It don't matter. You can get Del Monte, Dale, any one of those name brands, or you can use Great Value. Today I'm going to be using some Great Value carrots. You know, be honest, I have tried those Del Monte carrots and I found that the Great Value, they taste better to me. They really do. They're sweeter. That's my opinion, okay? Don't judge me. But anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to show you what you need so you can turn these plain old canned carrots into something really delicious. Even the kids would eat them once they taste them, okay? The finicky of finics will eat them, because my husband didn't eat carrots, but he does now. Okay, hold on, my friends, and we'll be back together again. We're going to get started on our family reunion cook-a-thon. Okay, my good family, I'm going to take this half a stick of butter and throw it on in there. It's softened, so it's not going to take too much longer for it to just melt on down. Now, as with any canned good, you do what? What's that magic thing you have to do? Rinse it off, and you open that sucker up. And you do what? Pour them in a strainer, and you rinse canned goods. Don't pour them into your pot. You still gotta rinse them off. Then you have your another cup of water. Okay, I'm gonna throw my carrots in here. Gonna get my handy dandy baby spoon. And I'm gonna get these all circulated in this melted butter. Get them all stirred around in there, and got my heat down. And so, be right back, good buddies. Hold on. Okay, I have my butter. A half a stick of butter is in here. And to this, this is 1 can of carrots, guys. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of, you can use, this is Splenda brown sugar blend. This is what I'm using. Splenda brown sugar blend. Turn that down. I'm going to add that to that. Now, if you were just using straight brown sugar, you would not use 1/3 cup. You would use 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You use 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. You add 1/4 cup of the brown sugar to this, and to about two tablespoons of white sugar. For 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you're not using the Splenda brown sugar blend, you add 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of cinnamon, one teaspoon of nutmeg, you're going to let that come to a boil. And I'm going to thin it out a little bit more. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. And just let that come to a boil. Now, if you don't, you can skip the sugar, the white sugar, and add 2 tablespoons of honey. And that's all this is. These are your glazed carrots. that is it. That's all this is. You got your glazed carrots. You don't have to use a thickener, because you know the brown sugar that's your thickener. You don't have to use anything because you're not making candy yams. Just turn it off, and you can get it in a nice little bowl there. Hold on, family. Okay, all right, family. Here they are, your glazed carrots, straight from the can. Looks good, doesn't it? Glazed carrots. And you know, these are all for me. I don't have to share these with anyone. These are just for me, so I can have a little tasty. Yum, 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 yum. You know, I have my yum yums. So here they are. Look at there. Yum, yum, yum. Hold on, my family. Thank you guys for joining me and helping me stir up those. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do with canned carrots. Or, you know, just add some butter to them or whatever and put them in a bowl and throw them in the microwave. But I do like to cook them some more because, you know, I have to have them a little bit softer. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by in Auntie No's kitchen. And so, you know, I really appreciate your support to my channel. Hit that like button. And again, for those of you that are browsing through, I hope you come back and stick around so you can be a part of our great big happy family, because we all just love each other here. Okay, so to the next upload, I'll see you later. Bye.